Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today we have a very useful topic for English learners.
Yes, today's topic is commonly confused English words.
Many English learners mix up words that sound similar but have different meanings.
So today we'll practice some of the most common confusing words. There, and there.
Sarah, these words always confuse learners.
Let's make them easy.
There means something belongs to people.
For example, their car is new.
There refers to a place.
For example, the bus is over there.
And there means they are.
For example, they're my friends.
Your and your. Another common mistake.
Your shows possession.
Your phone is ringing.
Your means you are.
You're very kind.
Then and than. Daniel, can you explain these?
Sure. Then is related to time.
I finished my work and then went home.
Than is used for comparisons.
My brother is taller than me.
Borrow and lend. People often confuse these words.
If you borrow, you take something from someone.
Can I borrow your pen?
If you lend, you give something to someone.
I can lend you my pen.
Say and tell. What's the difference?
We usually say something,
She said hello.
but we tell someone something.
She told me a story.
Quick practice. Sarah, which sentence is correct?
Let's try.
You're very smart.
Incorrect.
Why?
Because it should be, you're very smart.
Excellent.
What about this one?
Okay.
I borrowed my friend a book.
Incorrect.
Correct answer?
I lent my friend a book.
Learning these small differences can make your English much more accurate.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Everyone does.
The key is practice. These are some of the most commonly confused words in English.
Thank you for listening to English Through Talks podcast.
We hope this lesson helped improve your English.
Tell us in the comments, which confusing English word gives you the most trouble?
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.